What's going on, you guys? Deco Superman back with another action figure unboxing, and today we have Shazam. All it takes is the word Shazam for young Billy Batson to transform into a magic-powered superhero. This is the DC Multiverse $5 figure. This is a $5 figure if you want one, by the way, at 5 and below. I actually got this when I went on a road trip. So yeah, let's get the figure out. Been waiting a while to open this guy. I didn't pre-open it, so I guess I'll have to open it right now. Let's hope I don't damage the box. Oh, it's taped at the side here. I guess I'm gonna have to damage it a little bit. This is difficult to get off. Well, I kind of tore it a little bit, but oh well. I'm sure I can tape that back up myself. If I get the actual figure out, that would be nice. That was a pain. But here he is. Let's pop him out. Okay, so right away he feels like a pretty cheap figure, but, well, maybe not. I mean, for $5, this is certainly a good figure. I do like all the joints he has and posability, though. I can already see that. I'll probably take some good pictures with this guy. This is my only Shazam figure, so his arms go all the way around in full 360. His fists also move. His waist moves. He's also got, I believe, yeah, it's got 2 joints in the waist, so that's interesting. And his legs should come out like this. Mine are brand new, obviously, so it's kind of hard to move all his joints around. And I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to force it. But yeah, his head moves too, if I didn't already show that. Not a bad figure, and he does come with extra hands, so we'll get those out. These are actually hard to get out. Hold on. And the other one fell. I'll have to pick that up in a second. I'm probably not going to put any of the other hands on him right now because I actually like the hands he's got, but yeah, he does have the ability to have extra hands, which is cool. But I do like the fists, though. Alright, that's going to be it. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If not, I'm sorry, I'll catch you in the next one.